Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. It's been a little while since we've done an unboxing, so we need to get going on these because I've been buying more stuff and I haven't been unboxing it. This one, as you can probably see, is pretty obvious. We're going to be boxing Hurricane Hordak today. So let's go ahead and get this box open. And I suppose I could have ripped my shipping address and name label off there and made a bigger surprise, but I didn't think about that. Alright, where you at? There we go. Check that out. Oh, in true Masters fashion. Always has excellent artwork on their packaging. Love it. Look at that. And, just so you know, I have this one too. And I'm looking forward to this one when they come out with it. That is so awesome. Oh, I also have this coming. Really excited about that. Turn it off to the side here. We got some creatures. What have we got on the other side? More creatures. And then there it is. Collector's Edition. Robot arm spins. Interchangeable weapons. And I already got the original Hordak before I started my YouTube channel, so that one's already in the display case. Let's get Hurricane Hordak open here. I see tape on this part. Do one of them. And should be... trying to figure this out here. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's neat. Shows you the action right there. And I like the collector's edition packaging because you can keep them, you can take them out and play with them, or display them, or do whatever you want with them. Let's just put that off to there for now, and then you can shove it back in the packaging if you want it to be in the packaging. Look at that, it's even got the alternate spiky head. That's cool. Oh, I see how it is. You interchange this part with this, and it's got a normal arm too. Nice. Let's put that over here and check out the comic, as we like to do. What's that say? Eye of the Storm. Cool. So as I usually do, I'll try to not blind you with the shiny glossiness of the paper, but kind of give you an idea of the, if you want to pause it and check out the comic. Make sure it's the first page though. Right there, I think. Turn the page. There's that. It's got Cyclone there. Cool. And one, this is the last page. Try to do it like, trying not to get the glare. It's kind of hard sometimes. And that's the comic. Awesome. One of the things I loved about Masters of the Universe. You know, when you're a kid, I guess I thought the box art on everything was cool when I was younger, but I ripped them things open and started playing with them. And then we threw the boxes away. Now that I'm older and collected them, it's like, I need to keep the artwork. I love it. And then, but I did keep the comics. I had a huge stack of the comics when I was a kid, and who knows where they are today. Alright, Hurricane Hordak. Let's free you from this here. Check out where all these things are. Try to get them out of here. breaking stuff. At least I have my scissors handy this time. I've been doing better at that. There's that. Just pull this one through. Put it over there. We should be able to free this spinning part. Kind of like a spinning mace weapon there. Don't know if that's a technical term, but that's what I'm going to call it. And let's get this other one out of here. Stretch them a little bit. Okay. There, we got it. Pull that one over there and let's get that out of the way. Then we got this the blade, spinning blade part. And I could show these in a little bit better detail than that. You'll have to excuse me, I haven't been recording in a while. I'm out of practice. It's got some nice little detail to it. And the back has got where it plugs in. Focus. And there we are. And we got a third spinny piece here. Wow. I don't know. And I had the original Hordak from the vintage line, but I did not have Hurricane Hordak or Buzzsaw Hordak. And I do have Buzzsaw Hordak in Origins as well. It doesn't look like there's one up here. I'm going to just try to, yeah, I'll do it that way. That worked. And that's got some nice little detail too. Like a two-bladed thing. Yeah, I don't know if the vintage one came with all this stuff or not. And there's the spinning mechanism there. Nice detailed deal there. And let's get that alternate head out. Got the spiky mohawk. Mean looking guy, huh? That's neat. I don't know what that is. That supposed to be more like the cartoony? I don't know. I don't remember the spiky. The Hordak face I remember is this one. So. Ooh, it's even got the shiny parts. I didn't know this one had that. And I'm just kind of looking for any more. I think you're free after this, aren't you? And then, do that like that. And maybe it'd be easy to pop his feet out first. There we go. Input. 2 feet, and there, makes it easier. He's got a hooded head there. Wow, look at the shininess on that. Awesome. So we'll get this out of the way and I'll do the cool. Just kind of bring him up to the camera and do our little spinny deal that we usually do, so you can check out the angles. Even got the Horde symbol in the back there. Yeah, I didn't not know that it had the shiny armor on this one. But that is nice. Nice painted boots, and I'm sure you've seen these videos before. That's got all the articulation that the Origins figures have. Except doesn't really, I'm not forcing it though either. feels kind of tight. It doesn't seem to go like up and down this way. Yeah, let me check that out. No, it doesn't look like it does. Okay, so I'm not gonna... I guess you can't do the arm raise like that. The head goes around, does all that stuff. And I guess we gotta pop this arm off to do the spinning feature here. So... You pop the arm? Yeah, you gotta pop the arm off. Let me go back to the... It doesn't show it. That would... Yeah, he must just pop his hand off. Like that. And then you can install... Oh, I had the spinning action backwards. I was sitting there showing you the peg where this peg's into. And thinking that was spinning. No. This is the part that spins. Yeah, I do some weird stuff sometimes. There we go. Cool. I don't know that it matters. Probably cooler like this so you don't see the... Then I think that's supposed to be at the bottom maybe, according to the picture that I'm seeing here. Guess it doesn't matter whichever way you want to do it. So what should we put on first? Let's try this thing. Check out that spinning action. Oh yeah. Spins quite nicely. Nice and free. Bringing in the Hurricane with that one. Or probably this one. Look at that. That's got nice free spin to it. There he is with that. I don't know for the thumbnail which accessory I want to put on him. And then we got the little mace ball thing. Awesome. Well, that works very, very well. Well, I'm impressed with that. And I'm impressed with the shiny armor. I wasn't expecting that, I guess. Like I said, I didn't have Hurricane Hordak. But let's check out that other head. Well, no. Oh, that's good. The spikes kind of flex. So if you do bump them, they kind of move a little bit. All right. Well, let's put this one back on. There he is with the alternate head. Do a spin around. Yeah, I guess I've never seen that. It's a cool alternate head, though. And that's Hurricane Hordak. You have to excuse me. Like I said, I haven't been... I'm going to leave this part on. And then I'll put the hand in my pile of parts. I got a container I put all the accessories in so they don't get lost. Cool. Yeah. Like I said, I haven't done a video in a while, so I'm not really used to it. So you'll have to forgive me for the... Probably did a lot of and on too. That's Hurricane Hordak. I'm actually going to display mine with the normal Hordak head. That's what I'm used to. Got a good pop on that one. And then I don't know. Probably display them with this. But at least we got to see all the possibilities with it. That's awesome. All right. Well, I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.